Hey you guys, this is Riley here with Learn With Me, and this time I'm going to show you guys some of my plants and kind of just talk about a few things about them and some of the things that I have growing in my garden. So let's get to it. First off, for the plants that I would like to talk about, we have American elderberry. I have two of these plants, and the scientific name for it is Sambucus nigra. Health benefits include that it boosts your immune system, it's rich in antioxidants, it supports heart health, it reduces inflammation, and it may help with cold or flu. It's a perennial, and an interesting fact about it is that it has a history of traditional medical uses dating back to ancient times. Here's my other elderberry plant. I thought it had died because there was two right here, but it seems like it still is hanging in there with this little sapling that it's trying to grow alongside one of the branches. Hang in there, little guy. While it is rich in antioxidants, it is also important to note that it has strong antiviral properties as well. That being said, this plant produces berries, as noted in the name, and it is important not to consume them raw, as they are toxic when raw and have to be processed before they can be utilized. Alright, and now to showcase my asparagus plant. The scientific name for asparagus is Asparagus officinalis. Some health benefits include that it's high in vitamins A and C, it's rich in folate, it supports your digestive health, it contains anti-inflammatory properties, and it aids in weight management. Asparagus is considered a perennial, and an interesting fact about it is that asparagus plants can produce like asparagus spears for 15 to 20 years. Right here, this is my wormwood plant. I've had this for 5 years, and this is the first year I've actually had it in the ground. The scientific name is Artemisia absinthium. The health benefits include digestive aid, potential antiparasitic properties, alleviating bloating, it supports liver health, and it's anti-inflammatory. This plant is also perennial, and it's a key ingredient in producing absinthe. And this is my yarrow plant. The scientific name is Achillea millefolium. And some health benefits is that it's anti-inflammatory, it helps with digestion and the cardiovascular system, it helps with wound healing, and it's good to help treat the cold and flu. It is a perennial that I've owned for 5 years, and it's named after the Greek god Achilles because he used to treat wounds when he was on the battlefield. This next plant is called woodbedony. The scientific name for this plant is Stachys officinalis. Health benefits for this plant include reducing stress and anxiety. It helps with headaches, has anti-inflammatory properties, and its traditional use in herbal medicine supports respiratory health. It is a perennial, and it has a historical significance in folklore and has believed to have many protective qualities. I've had this plant for about 5 years as well. But yeah, you guys, that's going to wrap it up for me today. Feel free to like and subscribe, and comment if you have any other questions or if you want me to do anything else like this in the future. But yeah, you guys, really appreciate you guys as always. Appreciate each and every one of your comments and likes. And if there's anything specific that you would like to see, remember, include it in the comments or just let me know in the future. Stay breezy.